Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of November, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.9. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.7%. This results in an average return of 0.17% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential change of approximately 2% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 2.41% to positive 5.73%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a substantial change of around 32.49% over the next year, with potential returns between 15.69% and 39.57%. This estimation corresponds to a price range between $265.93 and $320.83 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock price ended at $229.87 on Friday after gaining 0.591%. The Apple stock price gained 0.591% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, rising from $228.52 to $229.87. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.17%, with a day low at $228.06 and a day high of $230.72. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.28% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 33 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $7.7 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can signal divergence, which may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $237.49, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 3.21%, or $7.62, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple is making headlines today with significant moves aimed at enhancing its voice assistant, Siri. This overhaul aligns with the growing trend of artificial intelligence integration, potentially improving user engagement and satisfaction with Apple's ecosystem, a vital factor for driving future sales and customer loyalty. In a related development, the European Commission has closed its antitrust investigation into Apple's e-book and audiobook rules after a complaint was withdrawn. This closure removes a regulatory overhang that could have impacted Apple's operations in Europe and may provide a short-term boost to investor confidence. However, challenges remain, as both Apple and Google are facing investigations in the United Kingdom over their control of mobile web browsers. There are concerns that their policies are stifling competition and innovation. This scrutiny could weigh on their respective share prices, particularly if it leads to regulatory changes that alter their business models. In terms of stock performance, the ongoing enhancement of artificial intelligence features could attract more users, positively impacting long-term growth. In contrast, regulatory pressures might create volatility in the short term as investors evaluate the potential implications for market share and profitability. Overall, while strategic advances in artificial intelligence present growth opportunities, the regulatory landscape poses risks that investors will need to monitor closely. Currently, there are no recent analyst ratings available for this stock. For additional insights, you might want to explore third-party opinions or conduct an online search. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Apple stock currently presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be found at the levels of $228.13 and $228.62. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4th, 2024, and the stock has since risen by 3.54%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has been indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Despite the price gains, volume decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock warrants close monitoring. On Wednesday, September 18th, 2024, the stock experienced a golden star signal on the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line align in a unique combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is typically followed by substantial and prolonged gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 131 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $229, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.66 between its high and low, which is 1.17%. For the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.70%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, often seen in companies with established histories and stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. It's vital to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at 230.76. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at 229. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson again conducted an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Chris Kondo conducted an insider sale of 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 28.747. In total, insiders purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $218.99, reflecting a decrease of 4.74%. This stock exhibits very low daily fluctuations, indicating minimal risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level could present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of November, we anticipate Apple will open lower by 32 cents, starting trading at $229.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.